if you're looking for awesomeness in an earbud that won't break the bank balance, then these are the CMF buds by Nothing. Let's check them out. So I've been using these true wireless earbuds for a few weeks now, and I absolutely love them. Not only are they absolutely really comfortable, they give out a really good crystal clear sound, and they also boast a massive 12.4mm biofiber driver for absolutely quality sound. If I do the head wobble test, as you can see, they're not going anywhere. But if they're not quite fitted right, you can also change the little rubber buds here, so depending on how big your ear canal is, you can change that. And it comes with this awesome app, so you can customize the sound. So you can go in and change the equalizer and change the sound depending on what kind of music you're listening to. And you can also go into the touch controls and you can change them depending on how you want to click, press, point, whatever you want to do, you can change it. And if you're looking to drown out the world behind you, then active noise cancellation is awesome on these buds. So the buds come with a 6-hour playing time, and you can just stick them back in the handy little case when you're ready to charge, and it charges them for you really easily. So I say you ditch the expensive buds. These are less than £40. So go and check them out for yourself. The buds by CMF by Nothing. You won't regret it.